Your kidneys work quietly every night, filtering waste, balancing fluids, and keeping your blood clean. But here's something most people don't know: certain fruits can help your kidneys flush out toxins more effectively while you sleep. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe and follow for more simple, science-backed health tips that keep your body strong and naturally detoxed. Now let's count down the top 4 fruits that support your kidneys while you sleep. Stay till the end, because the number 1 fruit will surprise you. 4. Apples, the gentle detox helper. Apples are simple, but powerful. They're packed with pectin, a natural fiber that helps remove toxins and cholesterol before they reach your kidneys. Apples also help regulate blood sugar and blood pressure, which keeps your kidneys healthy in the long run. Eat one before bed or add it to your dinner, and let your kidneys enjoy an easier night of work. 3. Watermelon, the overnight cleanser. Watermelon is more than just refreshing, it's like a natural water filter for your body. Made up of over 90% water, it helps your kidneys flush out excess salt, waste, and toxins while keeping you hydrated. It also contains citrulline, which helps reduce the buildup of harmful compounds like ammonia and urea. A few slices 3 hours before sleep can give your kidneys a smooth, cleansing boost through the night. Remember not to eat too much, especially close to bedtime, as it can make you wake up often to urinate, which can affect sleep. 2. Red grapes, the nighttime protector. Don't underestimate these little gems. Red grapes are rich in resveratrol, a powerful antioxidant that protects your kidneys from inflammation and cell damage. They also support healthy blood flow, allowing your kidneys to filter waste more efficiently. Eat a handful of red grapes after dinner. They're sweet, light, and quietly protect your kidneys while you rest. 1. Pineapple, the tropical detox champion. And finally, the fruit that deserves the crown, pineapple. It's not only delicious but packed with bromelain, a natural enzyme that helps reduce inflammation, improve digestion, and ease the load on your kidneys. Pineapple is also lower in potassium compared to many other fruits, making it gentler on your kidneys, especially if you're watching your mineral intake. Its high vitamin C and water content help flush out toxins and keep your system clean while you sleep. A few chunks of fresh pineapple before bedtime can make your kidneys' overnight job easier, and leave you feeling refreshed by morning. Your kidneys are your body's silent heroes, filtering nearly 200 liters of blood every single day. Supporting them doesn't require expensive cleanses or complicated diets. Just a few smart fruit choices before bed, like apple, watermelon, red grapes, and pineapple, can make a big difference. So tonight, give your kidneys a little love. Let these fruits work their magic while you sleep, and wake up feeling lighter, cleaner, and naturally detoxed.